The Power of Critical Thinking, an in-depth guide to understanding and enhancing critical thinking skills. Abstract. Critical thinking is a cognitive process that involves analyzing, evaluating, and synthesizing information to form well-reasoned judgments and decisions. In an era marked by an overload of information and complex problems, cultivating critical thinking skills has become increasingly important. This essay delves into the essence of critical thinking, emphasizing its significance and providing a comprehensive step-by-step guide on how to think critically and improve one's critical thinking abilities. In a world driven by information and influenced by diverse perspectives, critical thinking emerges as an indispensable skill. It enables individuals to navigate the vast sea of data, question assumptions, examine evidence, and arrive at thoughtful conclusions. Critical thinking involves the active and deliberate process of analyzing, evaluating, and synthesizing information to make informed decisions. It transcends mere memorization and encourages individuals to engage in independent thought, reason logically, and embrace intellectual curiosity. In this essay, we will explore the definition, importance, and strategies to enhance critical thinking skills. Understanding critical thinking. Critical thinking encompasses a multitude of cognitive abilities, all working in harmony to facilitate effective problem-solving and decision-making. Here are the key elements that constitute critical thinking. 1. Analysis. Analyzing information is the foundation of critical thinking. It involves breaking down complex ideas, concepts, or problems into their constituent parts and examining the relationships between them. Analysis aids in identifying key components, understanding their interdependencies, and discerning patterns or inconsistencies. 2. Evaluation. Evaluation involves assessing the credibility, relevance, and logical coherence of information. It requires a critical examination of evidence, arguments, and assumptions, as well as the identification of strengths and weaknesses. Evaluation enables individuals to determine the reliability of sources and the validity of claims. 3. Inference. Inference involves drawing logical conclusions based on available information and evidence. It bridges the gap between analyzed data and reasoned judgments, enabling individuals to synthesize their findings and develop insightful insights. Inferences should be supported by sound reasoning and evidence, minimizing the influence of biases or fallacies. 4. Reflection. Reflection encourages individuals to engage in introspection and self-assessment. It involves examining one's own thought processes, biases, and assumptions to enhance objectivity. Reflective thinking prompts the recognition of personal limitations and the openness to consider alternative perspectives. The importance of critical thinking. Critical thinking is a fundamental skill that empowers individuals in various aspects of life. Its significance can be observed in the following domains. 1. Effective problem solving. Critical thinking equips individuals with the ability to approach problems systematically and analyze them from multiple angles. It encourages the exploration of diverse solutions and the consideration of potential consequences. Through critical thinking, individuals can make informed decisions and find creative, viable solutions to complex challenges. 2. Decision-making. In an era marked by information overload, critical thinking plays a vital role in decision-making. It helps individuals evaluate available options, consider their pros and cons, and select the most reasonable and beneficial course of action. By critically analyzing data, assumptions, and potential outcomes, individuals can minimize risks and enhance the quality of their decisions. 3. Effective communication. Critical thinking enhances communication skills by enabling individuals to express ideas coherently, support arguments with evidence, and engage in meaningful discussions. It fosters the ability to listen actively, question assumptions, and respond thoughtfully, fostering constructive dialogue and mutual understanding. 4. Personal growth and lifelong learning. Cultivating critical thinking skills promotes personal growth and facilitates lifelong learning. It encourages individuals to explore new perspectives, challenge their own beliefs, and embrace intellectual curiosity. Through critical thinking, individuals develop a habit of seeking knowledge, adapting to new information, and continually expanding their understanding of the world. Steps to enhance critical thinking. Critical thinking is a skill that can be developed and refined over time. By following a structured approach, individuals can improve their critical thinking abilities. Here is a step-by-step guide to enhance critical thinking. 1. Develop a questioning mindset. Embrace curiosity and develop a habit of asking probing questions. Challenge assumptions, seek clarity, and strive to understand underlying motivations or biases. By questioning information, ideas, and arguments, you open doors to deeper analysis and critical evaluation. 2. Gather and evaluate relevant information. Seek diverse sources of information, considering multiple perspectives and viewpoints. Evaluate the credibility and reliability of sources by examining their expertise, objectivity, and supporting evidence. Be mindful of potential biases or misinformation that may distort the accuracy of the information. 3. Analyze and break down complex problems. When faced with complex problems, break them down into smaller, manageable parts. Analyze each component and understand their interconnections. Identify patterns, trends, or inconsistencies to gain a comprehensive understanding of the problem's nature and underlying factors. 4. Apply logical reasoning. Utilize deductive and inductive reasoning to draw logical conclusions. Deductive reasoning starts with general principles or theories and applies them to specific situations, while inductive reasoning infers general principles based on specific observations or evidence. Evaluate the soundness of your reasoning and be aware of logical fallacies that may hinder your judgment. 5. Consider alternative perspectives. Develop the habit of considering multiple viewpoints and perspectives. Engage in empathetic thinking by putting yourself in others' shoes and understanding their reasoning and beliefs. Actively seek out dissenting opinions and critically evaluate their merits. Embracing diverse perspectives broadens your understanding and helps you arrive at more well-rounded conclusions. 6. Reflect on your own thinking process. Engage in metacognition by reflecting on your own thought processes. Be aware of your biases, assumptions, and preconceived notions. Examine how these factors influence your analysis and decision-making. Seek feedback from others to gain new insights and challenge your own thinking. 7. Engage in Socratic questioning. Adopt the Socratic method of questioning to enhance critical thinking. Ask open-ended, thought-provoking questions that encourage deeper analysis and examination of ideas. Challenge the logical coherence of arguments and evaluate the evidence supporting them. Socratic questioning fosters intellectual rigor and stimulates critical thinking. 8. Practice active listening and effective communication. Develop active listening skills to understand different perspectives fully. Engage in respectful and constructive communication, seeking clarity and asking for evidence or rationale when encountering divergent viewpoints. Articulate your own ideas clearly, supporting them with logical reasoning and evidence. Effective communication enhances critical thinking by facilitating the exchange of ideas and refining one's own arguments. 9. Embrace intellectual humility. Recognize that acquiring knowledge is an ongoing process and that you may not possess all the answers. Be open to learning from others and considering alternative viewpoints. Embrace intellectual humility by acknowledging gaps in your knowledge and actively seeking opportunities for growth and improvement. 10. Practice and apply critical thinking skills. Consistently apply critical thinking skills in your daily life. Practice critical thinking by engaging in intellectual pursuits such as reading challenging literature, solving puzzles, or participating in debates. Apply critical thinking to real-world scenarios, analyzing news articles, evaluating advertisements, or examining policy decisions. Regular practice strengthens critical thinking abilities and promotes their integration into your thought processes. Critical thinking is a powerful cognitive tool that equips individuals with the ability to navigate the complexities of the modern world. By cultivating critical thinking skills, individuals can effectively solve problems, make informed decisions, and engage in meaningful discourse. Through a step-by-step approach involving questioning, evaluation, analysis, and reflection, individuals can enhance their critical thinking abilities. Embracing critical thinking as a lifelong endeavor opens doors to personal growth, intellectual and fulfillment.